Are you looking to switch your Twitter profile to an advertising and marketing agency? Let's walk through the steps to make this change on your PC. To begin, locate and click on your profile image at the top right corner of the Twitter interface. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, click on the Edit Profile button in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've accessed the profile editing section, scroll down until you find the Edit Professional Profile option. Click on it to make further adjustments to your profile details. Within the Professional Profile Editing section, locate and click on Category. In the category selection, search for Advertising and Marketing Agency, and choose this option to reflect your profile's focus accurately. After selecting the appropriate category, ensure to click on the Save button to confirm and apply the changes. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily switch your Twitter profile to be categorized as an advertising and marketing agency. Enhance your profile's visibility and alignment with your professional endeavors in the digital marketing realm.